Yo, do you want an old camera that uses floppies for your Skype, Discord, and Zoom needs? Well, you've clicked the right video, buckaroo, so sit your little butt right down and let's get to it. Say hello to my Sony Mavico FD95. Yes, it uses floppies, it's old, and its quality is pretty crummy considering it has a 2.1 megapixel camera. You see, floppy goes in. Also equipped with high beam technology of this light that will blind you due to the sensor on this camera being dinky and having no real tolerance for any low light at all. All you need is pretty much any old camera with composite output, so you can use a VHS, VCR, USB video capture card. You can buy them off Amazon for $12 and they're just literally composite to USB, and they tend to all work with OBS. That also means you can use it to live stream the highest quality gameplay of your choice. So as you can see, just grab your period correct headphones and just look the part. Rock it. Works great. 10 out of 10. Nothing wrong here. It's perfect. You should just forget $10 Amazon webcams that are probably much better quality and so much simpler, but who cares?